Are you okay?
You're okay.
Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just click on the special vanity link, Macy's.com/WFAN, and enter the special promo code WFAN to save 10% off the price of a ticket. Tickets are
red lights.
Oh, shit. Whoa. Oh my god.
Air Force RSO. My first mission to the Soviet sub-10s in the Baltic was in 1985. At 85,000 feet, the winter view of the northern Russian port areas was magnificent.
The other tailed people were getting killed off or assimilated into one guy.
Yeah.
And that's where oh!
Shit, dude. Holy shit.
That was the van's fault.
The white van?
Yeah.
What do we do? That person got hit, so they're
That
waiting.
person got. We have to stay.
We have to?
That woman just honk at him? Alright.
Lady's about to get hit by a train. Oh, yes. Alright, we could be stuck here for a while, Jessica.
Well, don't...
Just, Jess, make the U-turn.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! No! No! No, no, no!
Yes, yes.
People have speculated on how to make topsoil out of Marshallton for decades. I'll just be putting it to the test for the first time. I searched my supplies and found all sorts of things that I could play.
Nice maneuvering, honey.
Thanks, with that big trailer.
I know.
Had I hit my brakes, it would have put our...
Oh, he nearly. Bellend! Oh shit, actually, he might probably back in. Yes! Yes, that's a sick. Yes! Oh god, that was the best thing.
And boots. Kind of look like Amy though.
That's not Amy.
I know it's not Amy. I'm just saying it kind of looked like her. Whoa. What happened? Is this guy doing this on purpose? Or is he just that drunk? Whoa. Fall that way, please. Okay.
You guys. What is happening? Turn around. You're going the wrong way. Oh my gosh. How are you going? You've been on here for so long. And you're going the wrong way. That is insane.
So a live edge all the way around?
Yeah, did they do that?
They do that. They do that.
That could be
If it's like finished nicely,
good. Yeah.
I think it could be really cool.
Yeah. No, totally epoxy. No, shine. It has to be clear.
That's why you pay attention.
Holy
man, you're a loser. Here. I just want you to know, sir.
Move over, you.
Legally biking where I should be. I have a sheet here. Please do, please do. Please do. Let me give you something, sir. Please calm down, sir. I'm legally biking where I should be.
You need to pull over.
No, sir. I'm right where I should be. I have a cycling guide for you, sir. Calm down, sir. I just want to educate you on the rules of the road, please. Sir, just wait. Just wait, sir. Fine.
You want to fight?
No, I just want to educate
Get
you.
off the road.
Okay, take care.
Kill yourself.
Better, take care.
I haven't got along with the neighbors in a long time. Open up the door, see a little bit of sunshine.
No, she's hammered and she's upset because her boyfriend should have sex.
No, honestly, that's what it was.
She's
If
mad.
Hannah's done that to
She's
me
mad.
and I've been fine, she just was overreacted, right?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
If you did that to me, I'd be like, oh shit.
But
it's time
you
to go.
saw it, right? Yeah, I saw it because that's why I put my hand in, because I was like, Vivian might overreact, and that's why I put my hand in.
She's overreacting because she's upset because fucking Amen.
Hey, you know what? Fuck that, because I brought her to the movie. She owes me like $20 and I don't have money.
You know, I'll give you $20.
No, it's not that, but it's just like, my sister took her side of mine. I knew my sister didn't like me.
Listen.
Wait, we're going to the JJ Foley's on East Berkeley.
Listen.
I don't know if she put in. I hope.
South
she,
End, right?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
No,
It's right here.
South End.
Okay.
Listen, Hannah.
Okay. I know there's two. I know there's one
Siblings?
closest to the Macy's.
Siblings?
Are you from this area?
I'm from like 15 miles north of Boston.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry that we're all drunk and crying.
I don't know
Not
what
me.
this person's doing. This person's
Why
fucking
is this
insane.
guy being such a dick?
What the hell?
Yeah, what the fuck is wrong? Okay, just go around him. Honestly. Oh my god.
What the I didn't even do it. I beeped at them.
Oh shit.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. It's not you.
There was a green light and I beeped at them because they weren't going.
No, I know it's not you. It's them. That guy was like fucking parked at the green light.
Yeah, and I beeped at him. Now he's upset that I beeped at him.
No, I know. Just let him go.
I know.
It's not worth it.
Yeah.
What
I
the
know.
hell, though? Because he kept stopping, though.
No, he was.
Wait, do you guys see that person out the window?
Oh my god, what the so creepy, Hannah, look.
Yeah, don't see
I have
it.
nightmares like really easy and listen, I'm for sure gonna have a nightmare tonight. I'm not even kidding.
She really took the inside.
Hannah, listen to me.
That's what siblings do, Hannah. That's what siblings do.
You get it though, like,
Hannah, I
she's
get
gonna
it.
be like that all summer now.
Who cares? And look
My
you
brother
up.
does the same shit to me.
Look
Happens.
you up.
That's what happens between
gonna
siblings.
Go.
Yeah, what is he doing?
Bridget, can you please help me out tomorrow?
Is he like
I don't know. This guy's fucking insane.
oh my god, look at him. What he literally almost hit you.
Yeah. I don't know what the fuck. He's mad that I beeped at him because he wasn't going on a green light?
No, but not even. Like
That's all I did.
but he wasn't going back there. Listen. Nothing. She's hammered. She's mad. She's mad.
I legit hit her like that.
Listen, she's mad because she knows for sure now that Eamon was cheating on her. She
This
just
guy's just trying to race you.
yeah. What the fuck?
That's what it. Literally, that's what it is. He knows
Oh my
exactly.
god.
He knows exactly where you're going. Just,
Yeah, he knows what he's doing. Oh my god. Just stay back here because I don't want him to like pull out a gun or anything.
He just went through a red light too, so just.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
That guy's insane.
Are you from New Hampshire?
No.
No one's in this.